How to use JLab Go Sport Plus True Wireless Earbuds setup and features in this video. I'm going to show you how to set up and use the JLab Go Sport Plus True Wireless Earbuds, including Bluetooth pairing. Charging, sound customization, be aware mode, and some useful features you should know about. First, let's get the earbuds connected. Remove both earbuds from the charging case. When they enter pairing mode, one earbud should show a solid white light while the other flashes blue and white. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and select JLab Go Sport Plus from the available devices. Once connected, the earbuds should automatically reconnect to your device during future use. If you're using a compatible Android phone, the Go Sport Plus also supports Google Fast Pair, which can make the initial pairing process quicker and can provide additional device finding functionality. Next, make sure you get the right fit. The package includes 3 sizes of gel ear tips. Try different sizes until you get a comfortable seal, then position the sport ear hooks securely around your ears. A proper fit can improve comfort, stability, and overall sound quality during workouts. The earbuds use touch controls, allowing you to manage common functions without constantly reaching for your phone. You can also use either earbud independently thanks to JLab's Dual Connect feature, which is useful for calls or when you want to keep one ear completely open. For more customization, install the JLab app. From the app, you can customize the touch controls, adjust the equalizer, configure Be Aware settings, and choose between sound presets including JLab Signature, Balanced, and Bass Boost. Be Aware mode is especially useful when exercising outdoors because it allows more environmental sound into your listening experience. This can help you remain aware of traffic, people, and other activity around you. However, always keep your volume at a safe level when running or cycling near roads. For battery life, JLab rates the Go Sport Plus for more than 9 hours from the earbuds and more than 35 hours of total playback when you include the charging case. If you're in a hurry, a 10-minute quick charge can provide approximately 1 additional hour of listening. Charging is also convenient because the case has an integrated USB-C charging cable. Connect it to an appropriate USB power source. The indicator will blink while the case is charging and become solid when charging is complete. The Go Sport Plus carries an IP55 rating, meaning it is designed to resist sweat and splashes, making it suitable for workouts. But remember, splash resistance doesn't mean you should submerge the earbuds in water. Here's a pro tip. Before your first serious workout, open the JLab app and experiment with the EQ and touch controls. Setting everything up beforehand means you won't have to keep adjusting your phone while running or training. And that's how to set up and use the JLab Go Sport Plus True Wireless Earbuds. Pair them through Bluetooth, choose the correct ear tips, customize your controls and sound through the JLab app, and use Be Aware mode when you need more awareness of your surroundings. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which JLab tutorial you want to see next.